Across the world, highly sophisticated data management systems track inventories, control quality, automate accounting, and try to keep track of the fast-moving business world. These systems rely on accurate data collection, not always possible with manual approaches or even barcode systems. A breakthrough in radio frequency identification called smart labels is delivering dramatically higher levels of performance in automatic identification and tracking. The difference in performance is great enough to provide you with a clear competitive edge in your marketplace and can mean the difference between profit and loss. Smart labels contain ultra-thin RFID transponders that are consumable, have a unique ID, and can be programmed by users. They can be updated every time they are scanned for information. These transponders require no batteries, can be read without line of sight, and are so thin they can be laminated between layers of paper or plastic, which makes them compatible with existing barcode systems. Smart labels are proving that they can deliver near 100% accuracy in data collection systems. Some of the applications where smart labels are being used include express parcel tracking, airline baggage identification, library materials management, document tracking, and supply chain automation. Because smart labels include an integrated circuit, the technology needed to make a working copy is very complex and expensive. This makes smart labels extremely secure from fraud and useful for access passes or to embed into expensive branded merchandise for product authentication. To demonstrate how smart labels are taking materials handling and logistics management to a new level, let's look at several applications and see how they are improving accuracy, efficiency, and throughput while at the same time cutting costs. For the express parcel industry, leading label converters have integrated smart labels into standard label stock. When the parcel label is created in a printer, the smart label is programmed with pertinent information such as tracking number, sender-receiver, pallet assignments, inventory numbers, and final destination. It also carries a barcode and human-readable information. As the package travels through the delivery process, it can be tracked by stationary or handheld scanners. Knowledge of its whereabouts is known real-time to central operations, and the package can be rerouted while in transit. You can see that as smart labels pass through scanning portals, they are easily read regardless of the orientation of the packages. Perhaps more amazing is that multiple packages can be read simultaneously at conveyor speeds of up to 2 meters per second. When you combine the high level of accuracy with the speed of the system, you can see that smart labels will give your package operation unprecedented throughput while dramatically cutting labor and handling costs. As you probably experienced, the airline industry constantly struggles to successfully deliver each bag exactly to a traveler's destination. In fact, around the world, airlines carried 1.3 billion passengers last year, and these passengers carried 2.2 billion bags. Unfortunately, in spite of using the best technology available, the airlines managed to lose or deliver late 20 million bags, which added up to a total annual cost of over $4 billion to the airline industry. It's data like this that encourages the airline industry to look for new solutions, and by using smart labels, airlines are able to improve on-time delivery dramatically. Recently, British Airways conducted extensive tests of smart labels. During the live test, where over 75,000 bags traveled between 3 European hubs, smart labels proved to outperform barcode in airline transfer operations by as much as 30% in first-time scanning. At the Manchester and Munich airports, the check-in desk printers were modified to include a smart label programmer. As the barcode was printed onto the baggage label, the RFID transponder was programmed with the same information. As Taggart-labeled suitcases passed through the airport baggage handling system, the sorting and tracking computers read the bag's information and flight details with practically 100% accuracy, no matter the orientation of the bags or the speed of the conveyor. In a system that handles this kind of volume, handling is not always gentle, and the system has to withstand the momentum of heavy bags traveling at 2 meters per second. Taggart smart labels can easily handle this kind of treatment. In addition, smart labels can tolerate complete immersion in water and yet continue to operate with the same high level of accuracy. Smart labels allow the sortation information to travel with the bag, making it now feasible to offer home baggage check-in, collection from railways, and dynamic baggage rerouting. In addition, RFID system costs are far lower than current conveyor tunnel scanning alternatives such as multi-array laser scanners. 3M uses Taggett Smart Labels in a materials management system for libraries. RFID helps libraries maintain accurate records of their circulating inventory in a real-time fashion. When clients use the self-checkout, the Taggett Smart Label in the book or CD is read and automatically updates the central database. The same happens when the books are checked back in, where several items can be read at once, speeding up the process. Libraries can now serve their clients better by making items more readily available when they are requested. Another application particularly suited to Smart Label technology is that of multi-use ski passes. In Europe, Taggett Smart Labels are embedded in lift tickets and provide several key benefits. The wireless feature keeps skiers from having to handle them every time they are checked, greatly speeding up the lift lines.